Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss two essential components of research questions and hypotheses. Both are crucial for guiding your study, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down. Asking the right question is the cornerstone of any research project. A research question is the fundamental inquiry driving your research. It is the question that your entire research project aims to answer. Think of it as the compass guiding your investigation. Formulating a clear and concise research question is crucial, as it sets the stage for your study and influences the methods you will use to collect and analyze data. A well-defined research question should be focused and specific, addressing a particular aspect of your chosen topic. For example, instead of asking a broad question like, "What is the impact of social media?" you could ask, "How does social media use affect the attention span of teenagers?" This focused question clearly defines the population of interest, teenagers, and the specific relationship being investigated, social media use and attention span. The research question should be researchable, meaning it can be answered through collecting and analyzing data. It should also be relevant to the field of study and contribute to existing knowledge or address a gap in the current understanding of the topic. Lastly, a good research question is often framed in a way that is interesting and thought-provoking, stimulating curiosity and encouraging further exploration. A well-crafted research question is the backbone of a successful research project. It provides direction, focus, and clarity to the investigation. To ensure the robustness of your research question, consider these key characteristics: clarity and conciseness. The question should be easily understood and free from ambiguity. Avoid using jargon or overly complex language. Focus and specificity. A strong research question hones in on a specific aspect of the broader topic. It avoids being too broad, which can lead to unmanageable research scopes. Measurability. The question should be answerable through empirical data collection and analysis. It should be possible to collect data that can either support or refute the question. Relevance and significance. The research question should address a significant problem or gap in the existing knowledge within the field of study. It should contribute meaningfully to the understanding of the topic. From question to prediction, understanding the hypothesis. While the research question sets the stage for the investigation, the hypothesis takes it a step further by proposing a testable prediction about the relationship between variables. It is a tentative statement that predicts the outcome of the research. A hypothesis is formulated based on existing knowledge, theories, and observations related to the research question. It's important to note that a hypothesis is not simply a guess. It is a well-informed conjecture based on available evidence and logical reasoning. The hypothesis provides a specific direction for the research by suggesting what to look for and what kind of data to collect. It also allows researchers to test their predictions empirically and draw conclusions based on the findings. The null hypothesis, a statement of no effect. The null hypothesis, often denoted as H0, is a statement of no effect or no relationship between the variables being studied. It is a conservative statement that assumes that any observed differences or relationships are due to chance or random variation. For example, if we are studying the effect of a new drug on blood pressure, the null hypothesis would state that there is no difference in blood pressure between the group receiving the drug and the group receiving a placebo. The null hypothesis is often used as a starting point for statistical analysis. Researchers aim to reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis based on the evidence collected. Rejecting the null hypothesis provides support for the alternative hypothesis.